Good morning, good afternoon, it's Midlands carpet cleaners. Did you know the average carpet has over 200,000 bacteria per square inch hidden deep within the fibres, being breathed in by you and your family? That's more than your average toilet seat. That's why even when your carpet looks clean, here at Midlands Carpet Cleaners, we will make it look cleaner and get rid of all the dirty bacteria deep in your carpet. With our eco-friendly products, we can make your carpet that's seen better days look brand new. Call up Midlands Carpet Cleaner for a quote or some free expert advice.